Alright, so here's our before. The fence is not in terrible shape. It's really starting to sag. It's already fallen down once. Alright, new frame is up. Posts are all tight. It actually goes back 2 more posts back there that you can't see. You can see the top of one right there. There's another one, and then the farthest one is actually going to be a big 6x6 corner post, and it will go in concrete. We use these hammer-in spikes. We'll see how they do, but I've heard good things about them. Okay, all done. I got to do a bit of cleanup. I got to move these lights around a little bit, and the posts are really long, but I think at the front here, in the first couple of bays, I'm going to add some lattice. So we'll add some lattice here, and it'll give us some nice privacy. But the fence is built.